You want to point your domain from Wix to Siteground, you have to follow these steps. After logging to Wix, you have to click on domain section. Then you have to click on the three dot, then manage DNS records. Then we have to replace the IP address. Then we have to go to SiteGround. Then we have to find out the IP address. Here is the IP address. Save. And changes of the DNS records may take up to 48 hours to take effect. Then the domain will be connected with SiteGround. Thanks for watching this video.